Hello everyone, my name is Engineer Arjun Singh. Today I am going to tell you about the CBR or the California Bearing Ratio test. So let's begin. This CBR test is to be performed to determine the strength of the subgrade in any pavement. The strength of the subgrade is very important as it determines the thickness of the layers which is above it. If the strength of the subgrade is high, that means the CBR value is high, and if the strength of the subgrade is higher, then we can reduce the thickness of the layers of the pavement so as to make the whole pavement more economical also, while not compromising on the strength of the pavement. So let's begin. We'll look into the procedure of the CBR test. Now the CBR test consists of a cylindrical mold. Under this cylindrical mold, basically we pour the soil which is being brought from the side, and after the soil is being brought from the soil, it is mixed with water according to the optimum moisture content. After it is being mixed, it is being poured into the apparatus, and after pouring it into the apparatus, the soil is well compacted, and after the compaction takes place, everything is done, it is being finished from the top. The whole apparatus is being placed under the CBR testing machine. In the CBR testing machine, basically a surcharge weight is placed at the surface of the soil, and after the surcharge weight is placed at the surface of the soil, a plunger is released from the top. This plunger is basically penetrates at a rate of 1.25 mm per seconds. So we need to note down the readings at different penetrations, at say 0.5 mm, 1 mm, 1.5 mm, 2 mm, 2.5, and so on. Now we calculate the CBR or the CBR ratio value at 2.5 and at 5 mm value. Now the CBR value stands for CBR is equals to load which is being taken by the soil upon the standard load which is of the crushed stone aggregates which is being obtained conventionally. So the value at 2.5 mm for the standard one is 1370, and at 5 mm it is 2025. Now after the graph is being plotted between the x-axis consists of the different depths of penetration, and the y-axis consists of the loads. So after the graph is plotted and we calculate the 2.5 mm at 5 mm we calculate the load. After calculating this, we calculate the ratio of the we calculate the CBR value, and if the CBR value is higher, that means the strength or the strength of the subgrade is higher, and we can opt for less thicker layers of the soil, layers of the pavement above it. Thank you everyone for watching.